Right here I'm just testing the board that I just created, and it has a Nano Arduino connected to it. It's just plugged into a socket that I put into the board, and then over here I got all the addresses connected to this LEDs here, and then the data is connecting to these two LEDs. This is the low and the high, and I'm not using this here right now, it's just sitting there, and that too. So right now all I'm using is the LEDs, the IL311 and the Arduino Nano. So this is basically the IL311, and then now I'm kinda using this program here, and it's gonna display this here. Let me clear that out. It's not gonna write any numbers because I'm not using the EEPROM. It's not plugged in, so all I'm doing is just testing the sockets on where the EEPROM will be going to. And then the code here is just gonna erase the entire EEPROM right here by putting ones in it, and then on this one is just gonna enter all the codes that are in the byte data over here, those codes, and you're gonna see it once I start running it. Let me run it real quick. And now over here it's gonna, let's go to F for, that's when it starts erasing. So it's gonna count all the way. And this LED here shows is writing, and the blue one shows that it's output enable. As soon as this reaches the highest number, then it's gonna reset. It's gonna start rewriting, but it's not gonna save it because there's no EEPROM on this here, so it's just gonna, this numbers here is gonna change real quick. You won't be able to see the change, but at least you can know it was gonna work. It's just taking a while to get there. That's enough. It gives him enough to start writing that ones into the EEPROM. Then later I'm just gonna put the EEPROM there to test it. And these two LEDs, the IL311, I'm gonna put it on this board in the spot right there. Okay, almost there. Just making sure it reaches all of the way. Should be getting close to get done, and it's gonna start counting again. But once it writes, it's just gonna write to the information is gonna go so quick, and it stops writing right there. It's counting, but see, as you can see, it's not writing, it's just counting. Then it's finished, and over here you just see zeros because there's no EEPROM in here.